माननीय सदस्य श्री सौगत राय जी।
Ma'am, I rise to speak on the Tribhuvan Sahakari University Bill 2025, which has been brought by the number 2 man in the government of India, Amit Shah. मोदी नंबर 1 है, अमित शाह नंबर 2 है। तो अच्छी बात है कि अमित शाह होम मिनिस्टर होते हुए भी ये यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में उन्होंने ध्यान दिया। तो बीजेपी से पहले जो बोल रहे थे उनको भाषण मुझे अच्छा लगा। वो त्रिभुवन दास पटेल जी जो ये कोऑपरेटिव मूवमेंट का प्रतिष्ठा किए थे गुजरात में, उनको बारे में बोला और ये सही काम हुआ कि त्रिभुवन सहकारी यूनिवर्सिटी बिल हुआ। ये त्रिभुवन दास जी को भारत सरकार जवाहरलाल नेहरू के टाइम में पद्मश्री दिया था और उनको मैग्सेसाई प्राइज भी मिला था। लेकिन मुझे आश्चर्य लगा कि जो बीजेपी के सदस्य बोले त्रिभुवन दास जी का बात जरूर बोले, लेकिन असल में जो टेक्निकल काम किया अमूल में उनको नाम ही उल्लेख नहीं किया। उनको नाम था वर्गीस कुरियन। It was Kurian who gave shape to Amul. He was a dairy technologist, educated abroad. He joined up with this cooperative to give strength. Madam, I don't know if you like films. The best film on cooperative was made by Shyam Benegal, who passed away recently. His name was Manthan, and it was starred by Nasiruddin Shah and Smita Patil, who is not with us anymore. If you saw the movement, how slowly milk farmers were persuaded to join the cooperative, and how the cooperative became a big success, then you would have realized that Tribhuvan Das ji was a congressman, not a BJP man. He did things in his own way, but it was the addition of a dairy technologist who changed Amul totally. Today Amul is dominating in the India market. Amul is for milk. Amul is also for ice cream. Amul makes all the products related to the dairy industry, from ghee to butter to dahi to paneer, everything Amul makes. It's the success story of this country. मेरा डर ये है कि अमित शाह तो बिल किया, अच्छा हुआ, लेकिन ये बिल करते हुए अमूल का जो स्वतंत्रता, इंडिपेंडेंस, ऑटोनॉमी, जो कोऑपरेटिव मूवमेंट का लाइफ ब्लड है, वो ले लेंगे कि नहीं। क्योंकि ये बीजेपी सरकार does not believe in autonomy, it believes in centralization of power. तो ये सेंट्रलाइजेशन के नाम में इसको स्वतंत्रता, ऑटोनॉमी नहीं जाना चाहिए। The bill, my friend Bhartrihari Mahatab ji He is saying that it is an university, not Anand. But it's entirely based on the Institute of Rural Management, Anand. Dr. Kurian, along with Ananda Dairy, set up an Institute of Rural Management, and till date, that is the only institute imparting training to managers working for cooperatives and such organizations. Now that is being wholesale converted into an university. Yes, it is becoming a university, but nothing new. The structure is already there. And Amul Institute of Rural Management is still the only institute producing technical people for managing the rural problems, including Anand. तो ये जो बिल हुआ मैडम, अब देखेंगे ये बिल को तो देखेंगे ये स्टैंडर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी में जो भी होता है वो सब यहाँ पर है. Objects of the university has been defined. The appointment of chancellor has been defined. The vice chancellor, how it will be appointed, is defined. Appointment of a director, I don't know why they needed vice chancellor and the director at the same time. But they're doing it, it will create two centers of power and thus lead to conflicts in future. The appointment of dean, this is again will create another center of power because dean will look after all academic matters. Then appointment of controller of examination, librarian, etc. ये तो हर यूनिवर्सिटी में होता है. Where is this very special? क्या जी कुछ बोल रहे हैं, बोलिए ना. Sir, why not Ildi? Nishikanji is in favor of creating disruption for the opposition. Normally the ruling party should let the opposition speak. But Nishikanji has been tasked with the duty of disrupting opposition speeches. ये नहीं करना चाहिए. सर, मैडम, और यहाँ अलग अलग काउंसिल बना. कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग काउंसिल, Assessment and Improvement Council, Research and Development Council, and then there is a board for affiliation. Because the extra in this bill is that you have Institute of Rural Management at Anand. That will act as the vertex. And from this vertex will spin out further institutes which will promote cooperative education and cooperative management. This is a good idea because in Maharashtra there is an example of successful cooperative, that of the sugar cooperatives, who are powerful in itself, but we need to put more managerial input in the Maharashtra sugar mills. As also in Uttar Pradesh, there are a large number of sugar mills. We should see that in Uttar Pradesh, this is managed by cooperatives. And the cooperative should be run with the help of trained managers, trained at one of the Amul degrees. Ma'am, I know you are shaking your head, which means that according to you, my time is over. But I crave your indulgence to have a little more time.
धन्यवाद दादा, धन्यवाद.
I want, ma'am,
complete करिए, please.
All I want to say that is Mr. Amit Shah is known as the power man. किसी को हटाना है, किसी को लाना है, वही करते हैं.
माननीय सदस्य
तो
श्री
वो
के ई प्रकाश जी
ये सब नहीं करे. मैडम एक बात केवल बोल के खत्म करूंगा, एक बात बोल के खत्म करूंगा कि the main thing of an university is autonomy. It should have academic autonomy, it should have administrative autonomy, it should have managerial autonomy. The central government should not interfere in the affairs of the university. If they promise that they will not, I will support them. Thank you, ma'am.